Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the iPhone 15 Pro. So if you don't see your WhatsApp notifications, at the start always check that you have the DND and focus mode turned off. So open the top menu, tap on the focus, and now make sure that you have these features activated. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so check it. After that, open the settings and try to open the notifications and then switch to the list or the count. Just change here something to restart the notifications design on your screen. You can also open the screen sharing and just turn it on. After that, go back and look for the WhatsApp. Open it and turn on the background app refresh. In the next step, you can also try to open the general, then go to the background app refresh again, and now just try to switch to the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, you can also try to reset your network settings, so tap on the transfer or reset iPhone and choose the reset. Now tap on the network settings and tap on this button again. In the next step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the general, choose the software update, and if you have any, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.